Patricia here. Welcome to my channel. Another day, another beauty talk. I repurchased my favorite lip balm, the Dior Addict Lip Glow. Yes, these are repurchase. And this time, I've got it in ultra pink and coral pink. Yes, I've got two shades. Para naman, I have two different shades. Kasi naubos na. Yung last one ko was coral. 004 coral. Naubos ko na. Eto nga siya. Simot sarap. As in, ubos na ubos. See? Ganito ko siya kabet. Ka-favorite. Super talaga. I can't live without this lip balm talaga. I use it every day. Kunin mo na lahat ng lipstick ko. Lang itong Dior lip balm ko. Yeah. So here in Japan, this retails 4,290 yen. This product claims 24 hours of hydration, 6 hours of lasting glow, infused with cherry oil for even greater lip care. Revive the natural color of your lips with custom glow. Yes, parang nare-revive talaga yung natural pink ng lips mo. Yung para magiging, hindi naman totally magiging baby lips ka ulit kasi syempre depende yan sa edad natin, ano. Multi-purpose, can be worn on its own or as a primer under lipstick. This is one of Dior's best-selling product. They have 12 signature shades. Itong isa, this is not their signature shade. Ultra pink, yes, this is permanent. Pero itong isa, coral pink, I think this is limited edition. Special shade siya for 2022 Spring Collection. So yeah, let's dive into swatches. Arm swatch, then lip swatch. So, ito yung packaging. The normal Dior silver metallic packaging box. So, let's open first ultra pink. Nagpalit-palit na to ng packaging. Dati, wala to eh. Ganun lang. Mas maganda to. Mas bet ko yung may Dior dito nakalagay. So, this is ultra pink. Before, yung lagi kong pinapurchase was yung 001 light pink. Then, yung last one kong nabili was in shade 004 Coral. Yung pinaka-favorite ko yun. Siguro twice ako nung nag-repurchase na yung coral shade. I-build up ko siya for you to see the shade better. So, ayan siya. This is ultra pink. OMG, so pretty. Ang ganda. I hope the camera catches the real color. It is a very beautiful pink. So, I have nothing on my lips. Wala akong kahit anong nilagay kasi nga we will be swatching this lip balm para true color ang ating makikita para walang makahalong ibang kulay. Ang sarap niya sa lips talaga. Kanina, nung wala pa akong nakalagay, parang near to chapped lips na ako. Yung dry talaga. Pagkapahid ko pa lang nito, so comfortable. Build up pa natin konti. Super comfortable. So, that is Ultra Pink. Love it! Matagal na akong gumagamit ng lip balm na to, so alam ko na ang formula nito. The more na nagtatagal siya sa lips mo, sa una para siyang ganyan, no? Yung balmy. Pero pag nagtagal siya sa lips mo, magda-dry down siyang konti. Then para siyang magiging natural na lang sa labi mo, na parang wala kang nakalagay. Magda-dry down siya. Yun ang favorite part doon. Pag nag-dry down na siya. Pero matagal yun antayin. Diyos ko, wag natin yun antayin sa video na to. Abutin tayo ng isang oras. Mabuboard kayo. So, here's Ultra Pink on my lips. So beautiful. Moving on, let's swatch the other shade. Dito na tayo sa Coral Pink. Sa baba, this is Coral Pink. Maganda din to. Mas natural lang siya. Parang bet ko talaga ang mga coral. So, this is Coral Pink. This is not part of their permanent shades. This was limited edition for Spring 2022 collection. I don't know if you can find this pa ngayon, ha? I bet ko to. Parang natural lang. Coral Pink. So, here are the two shades side by side. One more look. Ultra Pink, Coral Pink. Both beautiful shades. Super comfy sa lips. I'm happy. I have this lip balm again kasi nakita nyo naman yung last one ko. Pudpud na, as in wala na. Simot sarap. So here are the shades. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and like and share. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Have a beautiful, beautiful day and stay safe always. See ya. Kung gusto mong gumanda, mag-lip glow ka.